Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your Steam Deck. Many mobile games offer fantastic experiences, and bringing them to a portable powerhouse like the Steam Deck can truly enhance your enjoyment. We'll go over each step, from preparing your device to getting the game up and running smoothly. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to dive into the fast-paced action of Brawl Stars, enjoying it on a larger screen with physical controls. Let's get started and unlock a new way to play your favorite mobile brawler. First, let's prepare your Steam Deck. You'll need to switch into desktop mode, which gives you access to a full Linux environment. Once there, the next crucial step is to install an Android emulator. Popular choices like Waydroid allow you to run Android applications seamlessly. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for downloading these tools. This setup creates the perfect environment for Brawl Stars, bridging the gap between mobile gaming and your powerful handheld device. It's a straightforward process that lays the foundation for your gaming adventure. With your emulator ready, it's time to install Brawl Stars. You'll need to download the game's APK file from a reliable source within your emulator's browser. Once downloaded, simply install it like any other Android application. After installation, launch the game and head into its settings to fine-tune performance. The most exciting part is mapping your Steam Deck's physical controls to the game's touch inputs. This transformation will give you a console-like experience, making every match feel more precise and engaging. Get ready to brawl with enhanced control. Finally, let's talk about troubleshooting and maximizing your fun. If you encounter any performance issues or control glitches, don't worry. Often, adjusting emulator settings or remapping controls can resolve these. The Steam Deck community is also a fantastic resource for tips and solutions, so feel free to explore forums. With these guidelines, you're all set to enjoy Brawl Stars on your Steam Deck, experiencing the game in a whole new, comfortable way. Have fun battling it out and dominating the arenas with your newly optimized setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.